These Skar marine speakers slap. SK65M-TWR review you didn't know you needed. Let's get honest for a sec. Your boat sound system kinda sucks, doesn't it? You crank it to max, and it still sounds like your phone speaker stuck in a cereal box. Muffled mids, distorted highs, and forget bass, it ghosted your playlist miles ago. You spent good money on your watercraft, so why does your sound feel like you're underwater in the worst way? Whether you're hosting lake parties or just vibing solo, weak speakers kill the mood faster than an empty cooler. You want sound that hits, not sound that hides. Time to stop pretending you're okay with tin can tunes. Now picture this. You're mid-wake, sunshine blasting, and the vibe's on point, until your music drowns out like it's coming from another planet. You've tried marine speakers before, but they couldn't handle a splash of water or the bassline in your favorite track. Static. Dropouts. Embarrassment. Your crew's giving you side-eye, and the sound's getting clowned by the waves. You deserve better than washed-out audio and DIY speaker tape jobs. Let's face it, bad speakers ruin the ride. That's not just annoying, it's a full-blown vibe crime. Enter the Skar Audio SK65M-TWR 6.5-inch marine tower speakers, the plug-and-play marine monsters that turn your boat into a floating concert. These beasts pump out a massive 320 watts of peak power with buttery-clear highs and deep, rich mids, thanks to a two-way coaxial setup with premium silk dome tweeters. And they're not just loud, they're tough. Built with rugged UV-resistant ASA housings, weather-sealed components, and stainless steel mounts, these things laugh in the face of saltwater. Whether you're rocking a wakeboard tower or a center console, the SK65M-TWR is engineered to survive and thrive where others drown. With pre-wired installation, top-tier build quality, and punchy sound across the full frequency spectrum, from 57 Hz all the way to 20 kHz, you won't just hear the difference, you'll feel it in your bones. These are no cheap knockoffs, they're the real deal, trust-built, let's make waves type of speakers. Ideal for UTVs, motorcycles, and, of course, boats. Backed by Skar's rock-solid reputation in the car audio scene, this pair gives you unbeatable value and sound clarity that slaps harder than a summer cannonball. Want that sweet upgrade without breaking the bank or your back installing it? Hit the link, this one's for you. But listen, don't wait till they're out of stock again. These bad boys sell out fast during summer. Thousands of riders, boaters, and weekend warriors are already blasting clear audio across the coast, and you don't want to be the last sad soul stuck with stock. Be bold. Be loud. Be unforgettable. Click now, grab the Skar Audio SK65M-TWR speakers, and let your playlist finally live up to the party. Your ears, and your crew, will thank you.